Today we are going to show you some knee exercises which will help you to alleviate the knee pain. Helping me in today's video is knee. Let us first understand the reason for the knee pain. Knee is the largest joint in the human body. It joins the thigh bone, that is femur, and the shin bone, that is tibia. Between both the bone there is a soft tissue known as cartilage. So the joint is something like this and there is a cartilage in between the two. Cartilage helps to prevent the friction between two bones. But sometimes due to osteoarthritis in growing age, the cartilage gets reduced and so a person can get the knee pain. Knee pain could also be due to excessive wear and tear in sports, etc. or it could be due to injury. Most people with knee pain think that they should completely avoid doing any exercise. But that's a myth. If your knee pain is due to the rigid muscles of your thighs and hip joint, then doing the exercises would help to alleviate the pain. So let us start with the exercises. But remember one thing, if you feel sharp pain while doing any of the exercise, just stop it. You need to consult your doctor before starting it again. Okay, let's start. Breathe in and tighten up your toes. Breathe out and tighten up in the reverse direction. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. So when you are doing this exercise, you would realize that once the front muscles are getting engaged and once the back muscles are getting engaged. So we are giving strengthening and flexibility to both the muscles. And for the next exercise, you need either a foam roller or a folded towel. Place it below your leg, just above your knee joint. And now, as you breathe in, bring up your legs slightly. Bring toes towards your body. Relax and breathe out and let down. Once again, breathe in, up, tighten up your toes. Relax your toes and breathe out and down. For the next one, you can take help of a towel. Place it below your foot. Keep both the legs folded. And now slowly breathe in and try to straighten up your leg as much as you can. You may not be able to do it all the way straight, that's okay. Breathe out, bring it back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. So towel will help you to facilitate that movement which otherwise may be difficult for you. For the next exercise, hold one of your leg and with the other leg, when you breathe in, we'll be raising it slightly. Breathe in, raise it slightly. Breathe out, relax. Once again, breathe in, raise it. Breathe out, relax. But not everyone would be able to do it. So what you can do is take a help of a towel or maybe a belt, and with the help of that, you can try doing this exercise. Breathe in, up as much as you can, and if you can, bring it to 90 degrees. But most of the people will not be able to get it all the way to 90. That is also okay. Breathe out, relax. Breathe in, again up. And breathe out and relax. Relax. Also remember that all the exercises should be done with both the legs. That is your painful one and the healthy one. And for the next one, take a help of a pillow. Put it between your legs. Both your legs are folded. And as you breathe in, try to squeeze in the pillow. Breathe out, relax. Breathe in, squeeze in the pillow. Breathe out, relax. And for this exercise, place pillow or a soft ball below your knees. And now as you breathe in, try to press that pillow or a ball, and as you breathe out, relax. Breathe in, press it. Breathe out, relax. Breathe in, press it. Breathe out, relax. And for the next exercise, you need to lie down sideways. Support yourselves with your hand, and also be careful that you are not leaning backwards like this. You should be either in the neutral position or slightly leaning forward. Only then you will be able to engage your glute muscles. Okay. So once you've taken the right position, breathe in and open up up your leg. Breathe out, relax. Breathe in, up. And you will notice that here the legs are joined, only the knees are getting widened. Breathe out, relax. And for the next exercise, you can lie down on your stomach. And now as you breathe in, just lift up your one leg as much as you can. Breathe out, relax. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, relax. When you require to sit on your desk for a very long time, take some time out in between to stretch out your knees. So let's start. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, relax. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, relax. You can do 5 to 7 rounds of each exercises, 1 or 2 times a day. So these were some very easy but highly efficient knee exercises to relieve the knee pain. If you like this video, please press the like button. And I'll be posting many such videos in the coming week. So if you don't want to miss out on them, do subscribe to my channel